If you're tired of looking at your neighbors, then this video is for you. Because today we're talking about the best shrubs that can create a privacy screen for Texas. So let's get into it. The first one is actually my favorite one. It's right here behind me, and that is the Nellie Stevens holly. It gets about 15 feet tall and wide. It has a big dark green glossy leaf, and it gets big red berries that look beautiful in the wintertime. This next one is an awesome one if you want to have a native plant option. This is Yopon holly, and it is a native to North America holly, and it also gets really pretty red berries that wildlife will love to consume during the wintertime. Fun fact, this is the only plant native to North America that the leaves contain caffeine, and you can actually make a tea out of it. This next one is great if you've got a really big area to cover, such as a fence line or property line. This is the Eastern red cedar. They can get 20 to 30 feet tall and about 15 to 20 feet wide. They also have cultivars of this that are more narrow, such as Brody or Taylor juniper. Another one that's native to the south is the southern wax myrtle. These can get about 10 to 15 feet tall, and they also get these really nice little waxy berries on them in the fall, which they used to make candles out of, which is why they're called wax myrtles. Another great one I love to use are dwarf magnolia trees. I would go with either little gem magnolia or teddy bear magnolia because they don't get nearly as big as the southern magnolia. These are going to be evergreen, and they also get the big white fragrant flowers that are just so pretty. Cherry laurel is another great one that will get to be about 15 feet tall. It gives you a very similar look to a holly, but it doesn't have those prickly pointy leaves like a holly does. If you need an option that doesn't get super tall, then waxleaf ligustrum is a great choice for you. These grow to about 7 to 10 feet tall and about the same in width. They also get clusters of white flowers in the springtime that are super fragrant, and they get little kind of dark purple berries on them that look pretty cool. And our last one we'll talk about today is actually really similar to the first one. This is Oakland holly. It looks a lot like the Nellie Stevens holly, but the leaves have a little bit more points, and this plant grows a little bit more upright and narrow compared to the Nellie. So there you go. Now obviously there are other plants out there that will work, but those are the top choices that I see that do really well in our great state of Texas.